In this lesson, we're going to focus on how to write numbers in word form. When we write numbers in words, it's important to remember a couple of rules. One of the rules is that if you have a value in the ones digit, make sure that you use a hyphen. So notice the difference between 40, so 4 is in the tens place, so 40, and then 52, notice we have 50 with a hyphen 2. 97, we have 90 with a hyphen 7. So remember that going forward. In addition, we are going to go back to what we talked about in the periods, so go back to place value for that table that shows the periods. Notice each period is separated here with a comma, and so I'm going to take whatever's in the first period, which is 621. Notice I'm writing it as 621 million because this is the millions period. And then we have 417 that is in the thousands period, so 417,000. And then the 325, so 300, and notice again that hyphen 325. Let's try a few of these together. For my first example, I've got 3 values that are all in the ones period. So I'm just simply going to write that as 103. Notice I did not use the word and because and would signify a decimal place, which we'll get to later in this course. So 103 would be your final answer. For my next question, I've got 2 values that are in the thousands period, and so I'm going to write 14 that is in the thousands place. So 14,000. And then a comma, and then I've got 31 in the ones period, so 14,000, comma, and then 31. For my last example, I'm going to start with a 4 that is in the millions period, so it's 4 million, comma, I've got 752, and that's in the thousands place, so 752. Notice I'm using the hyphen, and that's in the thousands place, so 4,752,000. And the last one is I have a 3 in the ones place. 3. Here are a couple for you to try on your own. So press pause, then press play to see how you did. For my first example, I have 96, and that's in the ones period. So I'm simply going to write that as 90 hyphen 6, 96. For my second example, I have a 1 in the thousands place, so 1,000, and then a comma, and then I have 45 in the ones period, so 1,000, and then 45. And for my last, I have a 2 in the millions place, so 2 million, comma. I have 78 in the thousands place, so 8. We'll pretend that was an E, 78, and that again is in the thousands place, 1,000. And then I've got 902, again don't use that word and, so 902, and that is my final answer.